Today I want to go through the startup sequence for our HP-20T4 hog pump. So when you first get going in the morning, you're first going to turn it on and your display screen is going to pop up. And with this you see where it says cold limited in red. What that means is we've got to do a little sequence to get all of the cylinders flowing and your hydraulic oil going so it doesn't clog up and ruin one of your sensors. So to do that, you will go ahead and turn on your Kubota. You're going to rev up your engine to 1800 to 2000 RPM. You will hit your pump and gauge button. Now you see everything is green. You're going to take your joystick control. You're going to move it up and it's only going to go so far. Now what this is doing is it starts circulating your oil so it doesn't ruin any of the sensors and your hydraulic oil doesn't gel up. Once the cold limited light goes off at about 80 degrees, now you can have full access to your pump speed. It's going to take a while as your cylinders and S-tube are moving back and forth to circulate your oil to get it to about 80 degrees, and then you'll have full access to your pump to run at whatever speed that you need.